Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these 500-piece French tip false nail tips. Alright, so right here we happen to get our French nail tips. They are 10 different sizes, 500 pieces in a box, half covered natural soft gel nail tips. So this one here is pre-shaped nail extensions, keep lasting, not easy to break, and they are natural. So they do offer it in different colors. You've got the clear, the white, they have the colorful one, they offered it in black. So these are super nice nails. They do give you a really good size container to hold them all. I know I've had other containers that are a lot smaller, so every time you would go and get your nail tips it would be hard to get out because they were all crammed in these little small areas. They do lock, so they have these little locking mechanisms in the bottom, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. Each one of these nails do have a number that is numbered at the tip, and then at the very bottom, you have the area where you will put it on your nail. So this one here, let me focus my camera. So this is a 0, so every one of them do have the tip numbers. So these are Salon Effect, perfect length, moderate thickness, easy to shape and to cut. They are really nice quality, and at the other end they'll fit right at the tip of your nails. They do not bend easily. They are super nice. I like the fact that you do get 500 in this case, and the case is a lot bigger than the normal size case, where it makes it harder for you to take them out. So they do come in 10 different sizes. They are usage method. You can use polygel, builder gel, acrylic gel. So these, any kind of method that you use, this will work with any of them. These ones are super nice nail tips. They stay on as long as you have some good glue, and whatever method you use to put these on, whether it's acrylic, builder gel, or polygel, they work just the same. They're easy to trim down. They're not so easy to bend, so when you have your acrylics or your builder gel or your polygel, they are nice and sturdy. You can see here at the tip that actually goes at the tip of your nail, so you don't have to put them all the way back. So if you're looking for a nice nail tips that are strong and they give you a lot, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. You do get 500 with 10 different sizes.